Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Wockermabel and Redison. This is where Marcus and I just been, and we actually reviewed those two hotels, including the Sheraton, 4 Points by Sheraton. We did that as well. So I think we both agree. You know what? You gotta check out
We have a winner, but we don't want to tell you. Because you should watch the video, because we did a lot of effort in the video to record it. And you gotta listen. Favorite.
You gotta listen to Marcus, man.
Yeah.
But we're gonna actually walk now to the neighborhood. So guys, those two hotels are here located. This is the beach. You still have to go through a beach club to enter the beach. But we're gonna actually explore today in this walking video Morrison Street. Very interesting. That could be also named Antung 2.
Yes.
Antung 2. I mean, not Antung 2, but the second Antung area, I think, because it's very affordable living here and lots of amenities like pavements.
And usually the pavements are so big that this doesn't disturb you.
Yeah. In this case, it does. Yeah, but if we look at the other place here, moving on, there's actually the pavement is very well done.
Yes.
So let's try out to walk on the pavement as long as possible. We're also gonna see all those hotels over there. Lots of hotels going on there. Actually very good prices. And I could imagine very cheap rents still. And they're selling agar wood over there.
Yeah. What is this agar wood?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. I always see these stores.
But I think it's expensive.
Oh, look at
I
this.
Guess.
There's a second 7C.
Oh yeah, I heard about that 7C. And this should be a very well-priced apartments too.
Wow.
7C. Mm-hmm. So I'm not sure if this is just a local neighborhood or if it's just a second tourist town, because we have a lot of hotels here. We have a little bit of normal living over there, but I'm not sure. We will definitely explore those areas too, but we're gonna walk today in the Morrison Street. Morrison only. You get some massage places here.
Yes.
It's actually a big massage parlor here. We have lots of coffee shops.
Oh, nice. This is the place we ate?
Yes.
Wow, that was good, to be honest.
This is for Long Hoi, the $1 place. They have so many cheap eateries there. It's very good.
Cheap and actually, delicious.
Cheap and delicious, 100%. This is also the area I did a hotel review already. 3 hotels in this neighborhood. But today we're gonna explore the streets here a little bit. You see more and more Western looking people here in this neighborhood. And as you can see here, the pavement is very good. I mean, I would say Eastern European people here, right?
Yes, mostly.
Yeah.
Just from the appearance.
Yes. Couples and families. At least that's what we see here. We got pharmacies here, another hotel. I could imagine all those hotels give you $200 a month rates, most likely. We got coffee shops here, smoothie shops there. A VIP massage for 200K. Okay. Looks sketchy. But if you like sketchy things,
then it's maybe the place to be.
Yes. We got the Golden Rose too.
Oh, look at this photo art stuff, the gold one.
Yeah, I like gold.
Wow.
We got 4 stores here. Some rice places over there. Yeah, pretty interesting. And it's the Cordial Hotel, which we reviewed already, with the fancy French restaurant over there. This is a bakery. Okay. So you have a lot of places here You can go and eat and drink coffee and everything.
Also, they have bun cha. Bun cha ha noi.
Lots of hotels. But even though they have super wide sidewalks, pavements, etc., it's still not perfect. Like as you can see here, you can trip there and everything, and we had to go on the street as well. Just now here you see it's pretty easy to walk. Lots of spas, fruit farm. You can get some dried fruit over there.
What kind of store is this? It looks like
it's another mini mart. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like the seatings here. It's the Cordial Grand Hotel.
It is also something I really like. It's just that the convenience stores has always tables and chairs.
Yeah.
So you can sit down, even when you don't buy something from there.
And here are also apartment buildings. I know that. So if you like this area, you can just come here, walk around, ask for monthly rates. Those are so many apartment buildings over there. So many in this street. It's actually a nice little street, very calm little street. It's beautiful. We're gonna walk this street here, continue, and Ban Kuon, but I think it's already closed. That's interesting. If they have a good Ban Kuon here, I would actually consider living here. You got Ban Kuon, you got me. You got the Robin Hotel. They have also a breakfast spot here. Interesting. A little bit of a construction going on there. But that also looks like another apartment building. Is this becoming the new expat scene? It's most likely definitely already a Russian expat scene.
Yeah.
Right? But hey.
This looks closed down.
Yeah, the Weasel coffee.
Because I would like to test it.
Yeah. I tried it out once. The Weasel coffee. On the beach. Pretty much scanned me, I would say.
Yeah, you told me. But
yeah, $5. It's okay.
The coffee from the Weasel, there's very soft. I don't know how to call it in English, but it's muy suave when you drink it.
Muy suave. Oh my God. I did not know that you're Spanish.
Yeah, a little bit.
Or Mexican.
But
the ketchup?
But it's good. Burgers.
What is this? The ketchup. Okay. So there you go. You got your Western spot here. I think I saw the ketchup one time on Grab. So you have burgers and some other things in there. Interesting. Okay. So if you want to live here, you already have one Western spot. Oh, look at this. That's a modern apartment building. It's like maybe 5 to 10 units. Interesting.
But also consider all these empty lots here.
Yeah.
This is a potential of building.
Yes, 100%. But it's interesting. Maybe we can buy something here.
That would be nice.
Oh, my wife. But, it still does not have the charm. It is more quiet, to be honest. Besides of a little bit of a road traffic. Those kind of walking is not possible in the Antung area. You cannot just walk around the main street and then you are in the no man's land, right? No. There's always something.
Yes.
But here there's nothing is
but Antung
developed.
It's dense.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, look at this. That might be your coffee shop. No, it's not. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, I think it's a Korean barbecue.
Okay, then it's no coffee shop.
Yeah, I think it's a Korean barbecue. Barbecue, yeah. I did not spot any nice sit-down coffee shop where you can work or something.
No, not maybe. It's more local, and the Vietnamese has no time for.
No, it's but
at the coffee.
The main street is not local at all. The main street is just hotels. I don't think locals live there. Maybe on the side streets, but I did not spot any like stylish coffee shop or something. And look at this. There's also more apartment buildings, modern ones. I'm not sure if they're done already because they look like ghost town. They're definitely not. No one lives in there yet. Interesting. There's a little bit of a something, maybe? I don't know what it is. Someone is sitting there with a coffee.
Look at the street name.
Morrison.
I would say that is very unusual for Vietnam.
Yeah.
Street like Morrison.
What? Why is it Morrison? Guys, dear my Vietnamese friends, can you explain why it is Morrison? Oh, street information. All right, guys.
So let's check it out. I will do it.
Let's fact check. So we're coming out at this huge, big intersection. But somehow, oh, there's bonsai trees. Those are probably super expensive, right?
Super big.
Yeah. I've never seen bonsai trees that big.
Is it a bonsai?
I don't even know if it's a bonsai tree, but it looks like a giant bonsai tree. Oh, we will get corrected anyways. It's good.
I hope so.
Yeah, please.
Because we have these stupid whites and just, oh, look at the bonsai trees.
Oh. All right, guys. Just one little stroll in the neighborhood. I'm like, nah, I want to go back. I want to go back to the An Thung area. You know which area I would really consider? Hai Chau. Hai Chau, North Hai Chau. I really like this neighborhood. North Hai Chau.
Well, Hai Chau is at the river, right?
Yes,
it's
on the other side, yeah. North from the Han Market.
Okay.
All the way to the Madame Lan or something. I would like to live there. It's like a nice, cozy, and I like the area. I like it.
So now you see it's big again.
Yeah. There you have a lot of space to walk. But I don't know. The big towers over there. The big roundabout here. Pretty crazy.
They're fighting.
And only if you see the zebra stripes doesn't mean you can walk. You still have to run. So don't think you can just walk, because motorbikes will not run you over most likely, because they will drive around you, but cars can. So be careful about that when you cross the street. But yeah, as you can see, we are at this intersection. And yeah, pretty, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I gotta try out some more streets in there. But as of now, I don't know. This is an interesting complex. I hope they will finish this soon, because that looks like nice modern apartments, right?
100%.
And I'm pretty sure it stands at least a year like that. So, okay.
Imagine these are condos to buy.
Yeah, that would be cool too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for watching. Check out this video and see you in the next one.